one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are places which have felt dark, that have felt lifeless and dead. But I see the Lord bringing his light to you. I see windows with shutters that have been closed. And as the shutters are opened and as the windows are opened, fresh air and light fill the room. And the Lord says, I'm bringing my light, I'm bringing my presence. I am the one who sets you free. Do not be afraid, but allow me to bring my healing love. Allow me to bring the light of my presence, the warmth of my love. For I'm bringing freedom, I'm bringing healing to you. Open your heart and let me in. Open your heart and let me fill you again and anew. For I desire to pour out my spirit upon you, to fill you again in this time, to fill you anew with my love that brings healing, my love that brings freedom. Allow me to come in, to restore and to heal, to make new and to make whole. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.